Hey there. In this quick video I'm showing how to create a new user account on Windows 11. So without waste of time, let me start. First, down here you can see I have only one account onto this PC. So, to create or add another account, click on this very profile. Here click on Change Account Settings. Now on this side click on Accounts. Move down and then tap on Other Users. Here tap on Add Account. Then enter the username that you would like to use. Even you can add password or just leave it. Click on Next. Done. Now here you can see we have added a new account. Even you can move down here and then check to see or the new user account is added. So that's how to create a new user account on Windows 11. Let me hope this quick video has helped you. We meet in the next video.